You want to get information from your Construction Cloud projects using Autodesk Platform Services APIs? This can be achieved using ACC Custom Integrations. Watch this video to know about it. Hi, I'm Pedro, developer advocate at Autodesk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your Autodesk Platform Services application as a custom integration into your Autodesk Construction Cloud hub. So in that way, the application will have access to the data of the projects in your hub. So first we are going to go to aps.autodesk.com, click on Developer Hubs, and we are going to select the application that we want to add as a custom integration. For that we are going to need the client ID of the application, so we can click on the copy button and we can go to the acc.autodesk.com and click on the account admin. So to be able to add the custom integration to the hub, you will need admin rights. If you're not an admin, you can ask an admin of the account to do so. Once you are in account admin, you can go to Custom Integrations, Add Custom Integration. You can paste the client ID, write down a name, if you want you can add a description, click on Next. Then a warning message will pop up. This is to let you know that the custom integration will have full access to the hub as an admin. This means that you can access to all the projects of the hub. If you want more access control over your custom integration, you can configure a secure service account. We will talk about secure service accounts in another video. So let's click on Proceed anyway for this sample. So now that the application is added as a custom integration in this hub, you can click on it and see that the status is active. You can also deactivate, or also you can remove the integration. Another important part that you must take into account is that you must select the Autodesk Construction Cloud APIs in the list of APIs that your applications has access. So we are going to go to the configuration of your application and make sure that Autodesk Construction Cloud API and Data Management API are selected. And that's it, you have your application fully integrated in your Autodesk Construction Cloud hub.